Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to remove existing door sensors from the hub or how to solve two sensor limit error. You can follow these steps if your door sensor is not working. So to remove My Garage door sensor, you will need to press and release the door 1 button on MyqTwo hub, and you will see a yellow light on the hub. Next, press and hold the door 1 button until the yellow light turns off. Now press and release the door 2 button on the hub, which have two dots. You will again see a yellow light. Next, press and hold the door 2 button until the yellow light goes off. Then open the MyQ app and tap on plus icon and select device followed by selecting door sensor. Next, choose the hub that you want to pair with, and then you will need to press the test button on your door sensor followed by pressing the door 1 or door 2 button on the MyQ Smart Hub. On successful pairing, the hub will beep. Moreover, you will be able to rename your new door sensor. Lastly, if you found the video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.